Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Loren Marketing. Today I want to go over with you guys how to add a neighborhood page to your KW website. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is log into your command platform. Now once you're logged into your command platform, we're going to navigate to our website's applet. It's going to be your very last applet on the left-hand menu bar, and we're going to go ahead and click that. Now from here, I'm going to do two things. I'm first going to go ahead and launch my website because I want to grab my neighborhood that I'm interested in highlighting from my KW website. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and hit Manage Website. Now, once we click that, we're brought into the website editor that is within Command. What you can do within here is very surface level edits. So to create a custom page, we actually want to head into expert mode. So we're going to click that button in the top right corner. And then we should be brought into the website dashboard or expert mode. Now, very important, once you are here, you want to make sure that the website you are looking to make edits to is listed here. If you have access to Command MC and maybe the office website, if you're on a team and have the permissions to edit the team website, you just want to make sure that whatever website you are looking to edit is the one that is displayed here. If you are not on the website you're looking to make changes to, you could go ahead and click the name or team name that's listed here and select from the drop-down the correct site, okay? Once we have that ready though, we're gonna go ahead and grab a quick start custom page, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And before we start plugging into this, I'm going to go ahead and head over to our KW site. And we want to grab a neighborhood, okay? And Scott may have one on here already. Nope, he's just got a specific neighborhood pulling, or a specific area for the search. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and grab a specific neighborhood, okay? So we're going to click on this property right here. We're going to open that one up. Once I have the property pulled up, let's say this is the neighborhood we want to highlight. We can scroll down until we find that neighborhood. So we're going to do Explore East Park. I'm going to go ahead and paste that into my page title. Okay, so we're going to create a neighborhood page for Explore East Park. Okay, we're going to come back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Go to Neighborhood. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this page that goes over that neighborhood and all of the details. We're going to go ahead and grab this URL, and that's what we're going to use to create our custom page. So from here, I'm going to come down and I'm going to go ahead and hit Add Module. We're going to scroll down till we get to a list of different types of modules. And for this one, we're going to do the iframe embed. Now that we've selected the iframe embed, we still need to plug in the information pulling to that specific embed. So we're going to go ahead and click the drop down and we're going to hit create new. So we want to create this brand new. Internal name, I'm going to go ahead and name this the same. So we're going to just copy and paste this again. And now we want to grab that URL. So I want to grab it from this page here, okay? So I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste that into the URL section. Now from there, it's going to take this entire website and it's going to plug it into a custom page, okay? So we'll give this just a second to load. This is now our module. We want to go ahead and hit publish. And now we're going to go back. It lets us know it was published. Now we want to pull that new module into our custom page, okay? So it should be at the top now as our new module to pull in. And we're going to add that. Now, one thing I want to point out when you pull this in, again, you're pulling an entire website into your website. So you're going to see we have kind of a duplicate here. we're seeing the banner at the top of the website twice. At this time, there is not a way to remove that. Again, we're pulling the whole website into our website. So there's not a way to take that away. But that allows us to pull all of that neighborhood information directly into a custom page where people can view that, okay? So now that we're done, we can go ahead and hit publish. And it's gonna let us know that that page has been published. Since this is a custom page, it should appear on the KW site under our More dropdown within about 30 minutes. Now, since we have a custom navigation, I don't have the More to show you, but in about 30 minutes, this would appear under that More dropdown for people to access and view it, okay? So that is our tip video for today. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'd be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.